And greetings again. So, right now we're going to check what is this Zig. Zig is a general purpose programming languages, blah blah blah, and I just heard about it from a tech podcast, Russian. From this one, Radio T podcast, where they discussed Zig and made conclusion that it's worth to check out. So I have like a half an hour here to check what is it. I just opened a couple of web pages from the main site, and first let's simple language, focus on debugging rather than debugging your program language knowledge. No hidden control flow, no hidden memory allocation, no preprocessor, no macros. Alright, a fresh approach to metaprogramming based on compile-time code execution and lazy evaluation. Call any function in compile time. Sounds interesting. Manipulate types as values without runtime overhead. Types as values. It's intriguing. Compilation time emulates the target architecture. Good. Performance meets safety. Right. Write fast, clear code capable of handling all error conditions. All error conditions. Bold statement. The language gracefully guides your error handling logic. So it's kinda opinionated. Configurable runtime checks. Configurable runtime checks help you strike a balance between performance and safety guarantees. Take advantage of vector types to express seamed instruction portably. Good. Community, decentralized. Some lizard people here. Main development. GitHub. Blah blah blah. Already Zig software for ZSF. Almost ZFS. Sponsors, specs, blah blah blah. All your code base belong to us. Show me the money. IDDQD. Alright, download, community, RC, Discord, Telegram. Nice. They have Telegram channel. Stickers. They have 6 stickers already. Oh my. Marketing goes berserk. Email list, Reddit, Zig. I'm surprised that this subreddit was like free, or they can like take over. Merchandise. Showtime. YouTube, Discord, Twitch. Oh my god. Oh my. I could and been here. Game Boy emulators. This thing worth to check out. Recommended one. Okay. So this looks kind of promising, and if it's Building Zeek on Windows. Let's check it out if it's like really easy or what. This one has benefit SLN are built in release mode, while your Zeek build has option. Sure. Blah blah blah. Any downloads? Okay. Do I have downloads? Okay. Whatever, let's just download a version for Windows. Or should I download version for Linux and run it in Linux subsystem for Windows? Or I'll get some rootkit from here. Okay. Hosted by Amazon. Linux, Windows, let's go with Windows. And we're ready. Let's crack it open. And here we have it. Let's put it to. Does it have installer or just language reference and library? It's it's compressed. Wow, 4 times compression, a lot of sources, a lot of headers. Oh my. This is a long time to decompress like 200 megabytes. 7. All right. Actually, am I online at all? Am I visible, audible? Because on my previous stream I forgot to turn the music on the stream. Okay. Thanks for response. A lot of C files, H files, CPP files, and Zeek files, and S files. Okay. By the way, let's run open with code here, and let's add new window. Let's go to extensions, and there should be some Zeek libc, so you can build for any target cross-compile very easily. Yeah, thank you. I heard about this on that podcast I mentioned earlier. So is this a proper extension? Tools, language server, is called Zeek. Is code Zeek. Is code Zeek. All right, installed. Syntax highlighting, basic compiler leading automatic formatting tab. Add Zeek command to a path or modify Zeek path setting to point the Zeek binary. Right, plus ZLS VS Code. Okay. Open. Install. Stop, start, and restart. All right, let's check what we have here. libc xx abstd atomics. Okay, so let's fail to find ZLS executable. Path in your settings. All right. Close this one. Oops, wrong Visual Studio. All right. Settings. ZLS. So I have to download ZLS manually. I need to build ZLS, but I saw that it's kind of available here. Maybe. Installation, build option, configuration option. All right, installation. Start by download official release from release page. See downloading and building ZLS using ZLS with Visual Code. Releases. All right. x86. How to download or clone ZLS using official release. The name will be gone. Okay. Open file. It will ask you open the archive to see it. And I guess I have to put them to path. Whatever. Releases. Windows. Okay. 7-zip. Do your thing. One more time. Get here. Wrong path. Environment. So it did found before the thing I want to find, like path thing. Jesus. I'll get around to making the extension download and release automatically eventually. Yeah, that would be useful. Environment settings. Jesus Christ. Windows, please. System. Wrong thing. Parameters. Multitasking. Did they update like that settings where I can set it up? Yeah, PowerShell. Environment path, environment ZLS. Would it add to path like for like I kinda forgot how to formulate my wordings. Persistent, right? Persistent per path, user per path. Create and PowerShell as administrator. Yep, I don't. Set path, environment, get environment variable. Nothing suspicious here. We can. Looks good. Restart. VS Code. Yep, it's here. And I want to go to Zeek and open with code. Yeah, this thing that should not work. It's here. It's working. So why you want anything? All right, let's go to settings one more time. Settings ZLS. ZLS.exe. What else we have here? Zeek related things. Workspace Zeek path. All right. Let's provide our path here. For the binary. All right. Okay. So let's go back to the web page and try and see what we have here and how to get started. learn. In depth. Why Zeek when there are already C++, D and Rust? Examples, getting started. Running Hello World and Zeek init exe. So what do we have here? Window. Okay. I need to set up path properly. I have to find where this thing is in. Yeah. Ah, here it is. I just have to use Russian because for some reason I forgot. Let's add this thing to all right. Okay. Close everything. Now let's make Ziganit. By the way, for Russian speaking language, it's kinda interesting name. Okay, let's just run Zeek. Okay, we have here build exe, build project. So we have conception of projects. Yeah, I know I have to restart console every time I change something in the environment. Use Zeek as drop-in C compiler. Whoa, it's drop-in C++ compiler. Zigad. Zen of Zeek. Some Python vibes I feel here. Zeekzin. Whoa. Communicate intent precisely. Edge cases matter. Favor reading code over writing code. Only one obvious way to do things. Does it mean that there is only one obvious way to do things, or there should be only one obvious way to do things? Runtime crashes are better than bugs. I would say compile time crashes. Compiler. Right. Incremental improvements. Avoid local maximums. Reduce the amount one must remember. Good. Focus on code rather than style. Resource allocation may fail. Resource deallocation must succeed. Memory is a resource. Alright. Together we serve the users. Targets. convert C code to Z code. Alright, let's finally make something Zig in it. And we have build Zig and some main. Stdlog. So we are using Zig as a thing to build our Zig projects, and so this reminds me of fake for F#. This, but as F# is kind of a functional first programming language, and it allows writing nice DSLs. So this fake is kind of build-oriented DSL for F#. So I guess Zig has a thing. So let's go one by one. This function, oh nice, tooltips. This function finds a Zig file corresponding to a path, std. It's an array of U8 unsigned 8, and adds it to the build if it is not already. Zig source files are implicitly structs with a name equal to the file's base name with the extension truncated. Source file is implicitly structs, and if we have a couple of source files with same name but in different folders and we imported them, I guess I found it later. Import returns the struct type. A declaration which have declarations which have the pub keyword may be referenced from a different source file than the one they are declared in. Path can be capitalization. Path can be a relative path, or it can be the name of a package. If it's a relative path, it is relative to the file the file that contains the import function call. The following packages are always available, and we got it. Alright, can I... Oh! I just can like control click and go here. We have here crypto, compress, built-in atomics, test. This forces the start Zig file to be imported and the time logic inside that file. We only test the Windows relevant stuff to save memory because the CI server is hidden. Alright. Okay, let's check how we have this bool defined. Can I understand anything? Let's say flock pre boolean. I have 10 minutes left before I have to leave. So let's run it. Oops, wrong keystroke, Command Shift P. What do we have here? Zeek, build workspace. Zeek cache, HO bin. Let's check. The binary is small enough, I guess. And I guess it's not like a release build. Alright. You're gonna be kidding me. Oh, because I have S. Alright, it works. std log info, so it's kind of not just printing it, it's logging it. What we have here? Okay, I guess this log info. Log and info message. This log level is intended to be used for general messages about the state of the program. Comp time. And what does comp time do? Getting started. Next, learn section. In-depth overview. Comp time on a function parameter means that the parameter must be known at compile time. Okay. So still arguments. Okay, we know format and any type. It's void, and we do log. Okay, go to log function, comp time message level, scope, format. Alright, void. Okay, switch on message level. So, main question I would like to ask, and I already see an answer to it, it's about a type system and other optionals. Yes, there are optionals, and I guess some kind of pattern matching on options should be present. Agree. Test seek. Oh, so we can do a pointer-based arithmetics here. Well, if we want to replace C plus C with optional interrupt, Whoa, thank you. Nice. And the next level question, can we do algebraic data types? Algebraic data types. Or just algebraic types like discriminated unions or records. Oh, optionals, standard patterns. What do we have? Grade. You can do no pattern matching. Union enum. Grade. These unions, I guess. Bare union types do not have a guaranteed memory layout. Because of this, bare union cannot be used to reinterpret memory. I really have to run. But this is very interesting for me. By the way, right now I'm trying to learn C++ for Unreal Engine game development, and this Zeek thing is completely dragging me to a completely different area, completely different universe. Optionals. Let's get back here. Test or else ritual. Okay, we have it. Non-null. Const b equals a res or else. Oh, so we have this dot question mark operator. Great. Nice. So, thank you a lot, everyone, for hanging around, and I really have to run away right now, and I guess tomorrow I'll try to make something at least more sophisticated than just a hello world here. So thank you and see you later.